My name is Soumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं Wealth Redefined blog. In today's blog, we will be talking about IDFC Mutual Funds is coming up with an NFO called IDFC Multi-Cap Fund. Let us first discuss about what is Multi-Cap Fund. In recent SEBI circular, Multi-Cap Fund is a fund where there is 25% to be invested in large cap, 25% to be invested in mid cap, and 25% to be invested in small cap. Remaining 25% available for the fund manager can be invested any of the companies. Previously, a lot of multi-cap funds were there, but fund manager had the option to invest the money into any kind of category. For example, he can take 25% of large cap or 35% in mid cap and rest of the money in small cap and all those things. But now SEBI termed it as a flexi cap, and they have a special norms for the multi-cap category. In multi-cap, the fund manager needs to have 25% in large cap, 25% mid cap, and 25% in small cap only. Rest of the money he can decide as per his wish and the opportunity he sees in the market. So due to that thing, lot of multi-cap funds has become flexi-cap fund, and the new funds are coming up as a multi-cap fund. IDFC starting this fund from November of 12th, this NFO, and it will close on 26th of November. Now, IDFC has come with a different kind of strategy for the multi-cap fund. They call it as a 3D strategy. So the 3D strategy is comprises of 3 Ds: diversity, dependability, and discipline. So diversity means they will diverse the funds into different things. Like for example, they can go for tactical asset allocation, they can go for new businesses, they can go for tactical cash allocations and all those things. So they are basically putting the fund into diversified way. Second is dependability. So dependability means where they will go for a good balance sheet, a good management, quality of cash flows, and the revenue of the companies, and how the growth prospect of the companies in the particular sector. Third part is discipline. Disciplines means they will allocate it such a way where they will reduce the risk of a mid and small cap fall in the market. So obviously this fund will work on the 3D strategies, which is one of the new generation strategies of the fund management. We find that this fund is going to do well because another reason of this fund to invest is the fund managers. Debt portion will be managed by Mr. Harshal Joshi, and international portion will be managed by Vairaj Kulkarni. So this fund is going to be managed by one of the best fund managers in the industry. I think this fund can be a very good option for the investors who looks for a long-term investment perspective. I think the investor who has an investment horizon for at least 5 years or more can look at this fund for a better investment opportunities. Also, the fund manager will have the time to deploy all the funds in next 3-4 months. Because of having that time, so as the market is going through some kind of correction, so obviously the fund manager can pick and choose the companies which they want to. So in our view, this fund is going to be a long-term asset creator, and the investor who would like to invest in these funds with a long-term horizon should talk to their financial advisor and investment advisor and understand whether this fund is going to suit them or not. If the fund is suiting them, they can allocate some portion of their funds to this kind of fund or to this IDFC multi-cap and generate a good return in coming years. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, you can click the like button, you can comment, or you can subscribe, or you can share the video among your peers. If you have any questions, you can either call us or you can let us know in the comment box. We will try to reply it. Thank you very much for watching. Namaskar.